everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe at this time and turn on your post notifications so that you always know when I upload. This video is just me trying out Rihanna's new brow product, which is called the Brow MVP. I got it today at Sephora and I got the color dark brown, and to me, well, you'll have to watch the video to find out what I think about it. Let me know down in the comments if you actually picked up this product or not, or if you plan to. If you have, please let me know how you enjoyed it. I will put the link in the bio, not the bio, I will put the link in the description so that you can click on it and order your own. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye guys. So I love the packaging of the actual eyebrow pencil, and it's a very skinny tip. And it has like a brush. Remember when these brushes came out and they were so expensive? The Artiste brushes. See, there you go. You can get you a little Artiste brush plus the little FENTY brush, okay? So brushing these eyebrows up, y'all, I have not gotten my eyebrows waxed in so long. Like, I have major trust issues with eyebrow ladies anymore. Like, so I just go with the flow. I start just following my natural hairs and I just add in where the areas are a little bit sparse, and I really just, I don't know, kind of envision what I want my eyebrows to look like when I'm done, and I just fill it in like that. I feel like this is a really easy tutorial, so what I'm gonna do is just turn on some music and just let you guys watch me. Okay, oops, I'm back. So towards the front of my brows, I just like to go up with the hairs and really press the product in. That's where my hairs are most thin. If I'm being honest, I feel that you have to get this product working a little bit for it to really show up. But I've not even watched a campaign video for this. I literally just found out it was launching and I bought it because I love Rihanna that much. But I have to be honest with you, it's not like the easiest to deposit color, but it's not the hardest, and I feel like it's made to be natural, so maybe that's why. So I'm leaving this in real time. I really want you guys to watch my strokes and watch how the color deposits, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. I really think that this is great for beginners because look how many times I had to do it for the color to show up. So if you guys make a mistake, it'll be okay. So I think this is perfect for beginners. Another thing with me I've started doing is just filling my eyebrows in and not really worrying about the precise or the precision of it, because when you put the concealer on is where you can really get into your artistry and clean up where you need to and really carve out your brows and make them perfect for you. You really don't have to go as hard as I'm going. I have an issue with my eyebrows. Like, they have to be perfect, and I like get really zoned out on them. So I think most people are like that. This is my Fenty concealer in the color 345. I've never tried this color before. It's very yellow, and it was intended for my under eyes, but to mix with this naked concealer that I got. But I'm trying it on my eyebrows, so just watch. Again, if you get your eyebrows done regularly, you don't have to worry about this, but Ashley doesn't. So I have a lot more to cover up. I'm trying to cover up texture, which we know you really can't do that with just liquid products. But hey, I'm trying to make it work, y'all. I'm trying to make it work. And my eyebrows actually didn't even turn out perfect, but you know how it is when you don't have a fresh wax. This is Fenty foundation in the color 385. I'm telling y'all, I do the absolute most with my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. I'm sorry. This is why I do not upload eyebrow videos, because what am I doing right now? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, Picasso. So on top of my brows, I just add the 385 Fenty foundation because that's what I'll be using on my face along with 390. But I don't think I added 390 right now. This is just 385. I mixed 385 and 390 for my entire face. Back at it again with more eyebrow product. Wow, I might delete this. This is where I messed up, like doing too much, and I think you'll see that in a minute. So I press everything in because I have so much like hair up there. Don't worry, I'm not going to do this whole brow on camera, but I wanted to show you guys this little bit because it was so satisfying. I had to leave it in. Okay guys, this is the final result. Zoom you in. In my honest opinion, for me, this brow product is, I feel like it's very natural. I feel like the application is a very natural application. What I liked about it the most was that it matched my brow like precisely. It's really hard for me to find a good balance in between brow products. I either get it too light, too dark, over time I don't like it anymore, or something like that. So this one was my exact match of my hairs on my face. So there's no lines that you could tell where the product stops and where the hair stops. It just really mimicked my natural brow precisely, which I really love that about this product. Now, if you're going for a more dramatic look, I would say pass on this product because it's not going to give you that bow. It's going to give you just natural, which I think Rihanna created Fenty for people, but also for herself, because she doesn't wear a whole lot of makeup, I don't think. So for me, I like this brow product. Will I buy it again? I don't know. So you guys definitely let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, please. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.